Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Let's start the real number power and exponent. Today we will discuss the power and exponent. First, law of the exponent. Many of the rules are to follow the power and exponent. First of all, rule number first, if the a to power m into a to power n is equals to a to power m plus n. Numbers are a power n into a power n is equals to a power m plus 1. But how to solve this type of a question? Questions examples are given 3 power 3 by 4 into 3 power 1 by 4. Then how to judge these questions? Base are same, directly we adding the power, and the same pattern formula is a power m plus n. M plus n, then using this formula 3 power m plus n means 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Then result will be 3 power 4 by 4. It means answer is equals to 3. Answer is equals to 3. It means these questions based on this formula. First law of the exponent a power m into a power n is equals to m plus n. Second law, a power m divided by a power n, then result is equals to a power m minus n. A power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. Then examples are 5 power 1 by 2 divided by 5 power 1 by 6. How to solve this question? Questions based on this pattern and this law. Then directly we apply this rule and we will solve the questions. 5 power a minus m minus n, then directly 5 power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. Take the LCM of the numbers 1 by 2 and 1 by 6. The LCM of the denominator is equals to 6. Then 5 power whole LCM will be 6. Then 3 divided by 6. Answer will be a 3. Then 3 multiplied by 1, result will be a 3. Minus 6 divided by 6, answer will be 1. Then answer will be 1. Then 1 multiplied by 1, 1. It means 5 power. 5 power 2 upon 6. Answer will be 5 power 2 upon 6. 2 will be 2, 2. Then correct answer will be 5 power 1 by 3. It is answer. These questions based on the formula a power m upon a power m is equals to a power m minus n. Next law, a power m and whole power n is equals to a power m n. It means the whole power is a totally whole power, m is a whole power n, then directly we multiply the powers m into n. Some examples are given a 36 whole power 1 by 2. Then how to simplify this question? And 36 write down now 6 whole square. 36 right now 6 whole square. 6 whole square and whole power 1 by 2. Then directly same pattern a power m into whole power m. Then a power m into whole power m. Then we multiply this number. It means 6 power 2 into 1 by 2. Then result will be a 6 power 1. Answer will be 6. It is answer. It is the third law of the exponent. Next is the fourth. Fourth is if a power p into b power p. Then both power will be same. Then result will be already the same. It means a into b power p. It means multiply both a and into b and power is the same. Then power is the whole power p. Then how to apply this formula? Examples are given 3 power 7 into 5 power 7. Just apply this law and directly we find the answer 3 into 5. It means 3 into 5 and multiply, then power is equals to whole power 7 because both power is the same, and apply this formula and directly we find the 3 into 5. Then answer will be 15 power 7. 15 power 7. Next questions, 5 power 3 upon 3 power 3. Then how to judge these questions? Same pattern. Law of exponents are given. A power m upon b power m is equals to a upon b whole power m. A power m upon b power m is equals to a upon b whole power m. It is the law. This formula applied to these questions. 5 power 3 upon 3 power 3. Then how to judge these questions? 5 upon 3 whole power 3. It is the answer. We can find the directly answer because this pattern is already given and laws of exponent is given, then directly we find the answer. Next part is a power 0. If any numbers power will be a 0, then result will always 1. If any numbers power will be a 0, then result will always a 1. A power 0 is equals to 1. Just like example 5 power 0, answer will be 1. Any other examples you will take 3 power 0, answer will be 1. 2 power 0, answer will be 1. 7 power 0, answer will be 1. Any numbers you have take, then their power, their answer will be already 1. Like 2 upon 3 power 0, then answer will be 1. It is some example based on the law of exponent. Give the some questions and how to simplify these questions. First questions 2 power 6 power. Some questions based on this and 5 questions give based on the law of exponent. Then how to simplify these questions? First questions are given 6 power 2 by 5 into 6 power 3 by 5. Then how to simplify this question? This question based on this formula. First law of exponent a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Then directly we apply this formula and solve this question. 6 power 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. Then answer will be 6 power 5 upon 5. Then directly 6 power 1. Answer is equals to 6. Answer is equals to 6. Now second part questions are given 3 1 upon 3 to power 4 whole power 1 by 2. Then answer will be 1 upon 3 whole power 4 into 1 upon 2. Then 4 1 2 1 2 2 2 is 4. Then now answer will be 1 upon 3 whole power 2. Which is the answer? That means you can directly answer write the 1 upon 3 to power 9. 3 to power 2 you can write 1 upon 9. It is the answer. This question number second. Then how to other questions solve? This is examples and other questions also examples of this pattern and law. Then how to simplify these questions? Questions are given 64 power minus 1 by 2. Then how to simplify this question? We can write 64 4 power 3 or you can write 8 power 2. Then first write 8 power 2. This number write 8 power 2 whole power minus 1 by 2. Then apply this formula, third law of exponent. Then directly we solve the multiply of the numbers. It means powers multiply 8 power 2 into minus 1 by 2. Then result 2 1 2 and 2 1 2. Result will be 8 power minus 1. It means answer will be 1 by 8. Any numbers write 8 power minus 1. Then you can write the number just reverse 1 upon 8. Like a power minus n. Then you can write 1 upon a power n. It is the other law of exponent. If a number write a power minus n, then is equals to 1 upon a power 1. This is the law of exponent seventh part. If a number write a power n, then you can write 1 upon a power minus n. It means write the numbers other than if a power minus n, then result will be 1 upon a power n. Next questions are given 6 power 1 by 2 into 7 power 1 by 2. Apply this formula number 4. Then directly we solve the question. 6 power 1 by 2 and 7 power 1 by 2. Both power are same. It means first power is 1 by 2 and second power also 1 by 2. power will be the same, then directly multiply. 6 into 7 whole power 1 by 2. Then answer will be 42 whole power 1 by 2. It is answer. And last questions, 81 whole power minus 1 by 4. Questions are given 81 whole power minus 1 by 4. Then we can write 81 is equals to 3 to the power 4. We can write 81 is equals to 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 whole power minus 1 by 4. Apply the formula number third and we simplify directly answer 3 to the power 4 into minus 1 upon 4. Then 4 1 is 4 and 4 cancel out. Answer will be 3 to the power minus 1. Then you can write also 1 upon 3. You can write also 1 upon 3. But when these questions based on the law of exponent and total complete this concept, the law of exponent, it is the same formula. Formula is this. This is the formula. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. All questions based on the law of exponent, this formula and apply this formula and simplify any questions. Difficult questions and easy questions also based on this formula. Okay, next video I will discuss some difficult questions for the law of exponent. Then today we will complete this session. Thank you students.